Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach haul. So these are some of the items that I've purchased in the past few weeks. Let me start with, wow, this beauty right here. Okay, wow, look at this one, it's so pretty. So this is a Coach heart coin wristlet. Okay, wow, it is stunningly beautiful. So I believe this was released last February, I think, for the Valentine's Day, if I am not mistaken. I have this one on my wish list. However, like I've mentioned always on my video, I keep reiterating in my videos that I do not pay for the regular price anymore. I mean, this is not part of, I don't need it. It's not a necessity. It's just something that that I find it cute, that I really wanted to add it in my Coach collection. And if I find this one later on sale, why not? In a really good and reasonable price. But I know I found this one in such a reasonable price. So anyway, this is how it looks. This one is made up of the Coach canvas right here. Look at the detail, the heart detail in it. I love those. Beautiful, beautiful red color. It is in heart shape as well. That's what makes this coin purse special, because of that. Right here, it has a wristlet attached to it, and it also has this accent right here, the charm. It's so cute. The charm is actually, it's stunning. Let me show you the charm, and also the other side of it right here. And this one actually prices $125 US for a coin purse. That's, to me, that's way too much. So anyway, this is how it looks. A mixture of gloved leather and a canvas right here. It has a pull tab. Let me show you the interior, the inside. Right here, this is how it looks inside. I'm not 100% sure if a credit card could fit in here, but I'm pretty sure your coins fits in here. But I intended to buy this as a bag charm, actually. So this is how it looks inside. It has those brown interior right here, and it is gorgeous. So this is the first item that I've got. Okay. And I'm not sure if this one is still available on the website. I am not 100% sure. Okay, so this is the first item. The second item, it is another wristlet. Oh my gosh, the color is stunningly beautiful. This one is made up of really soft pebbled leather, and wow, the pollen color and the brass hardware complements perfectly together. It has a strap on the side, and then this one, the interior also has that lighter brown color. Very soft and supple. It just feels like the leather is so luxurious. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is the second item that I've got. The third item, another wristlet. I love the color combination. I mean, the canvas and this one right here is absolutely stunning. Wow. Let me show you. I mean, it is like the same though for the other one. The charm, the wristlet. This is how it looks at the back. Let me show you the interior. Okay, so this is how it looks, the interior. The interior is actually burgundy. So the reason why I keep buying this because I have quite a few of this in my Coach collection. However, they are so easy to use, they are carefree, and also the price is very reasonable. It's durable, they last a lifetime if you know how to take care of it, really. And I got this for less than $50. So that's what makes this pouch really special. So I got several of these for me to use to rotate them, or it could just have been part of my collection. So the fourth item is this one. Oh my gosh. This is part of a Lunar New Year collection of 2023. Look at that. The rabbit. Oh my goodness. It is so stunning. So let me show you a closer look of it. It has been engraved to the leather, or debossed onto the leather right there. Wow, you could literally feel, wow, and this beautiful, beautiful pink color. And also the side of this one, what makes this pouch really special, it's because of the bag charm. Look at the charm right here, and also on the other side as well. It is stunning. And I know this one is actually a little bit pricey though. I believe this is $125. That's because of the leather, and also with the charm itself. Very well done. Let's take a look at inside. The inside has a beautiful pink interior as well. Pretty much on the other side, it's just plain. And yeah, they are all in the same size. All those three that I've got right here. I love it. This one is by far my favorite of all the wristlets that I have gotten. Next, it is another wristlet. Oh my gosh. So this one, actually, they're all the same with all this, they're all the same, made up of canvas, and then those beautiful, beautiful hearts right there. Also, on the other side as well, the hearts. I think this one is part of the Valentine's collection. This is the interior. Wow. I paid such a reasonable price on this. The craftsmanship, the quality, the durability. The price is pretty reasonable. I can't say no to all of these. All of these, I believe I paid less than $50. That's tax included. And I believe for that price is pretty reasonable. Okay, so wow, I've got 4, and I have few more that is actually coming in the mail. So yeah, Coach has a lot of sale going on lately. Dillard's has it, the Coach website, the Coach boutique, the Coach outlet, Macy's, everything. A lot of those items, especially all of these that I have right here, are on sale. They have all different types of purses, small leather goods, ready to wear, and all kinds of stuff. So, and also I have the last item that I got. It's my all-time favorite, and I find this item is such, I don't know, I am totally obsessed with the leather. The craftsmanship for this one is absolutely top of the line. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, it's a brand new Revel bag right here. I just got this from the mail. And I got this from the Coach website. Look at that stunning color. Oh my gosh, this contrasting stitching is absolutely amazing. Wow. Wow. The attention of details for each of, wow, absolutely gorgeous, that guys. I mean, what more can I say with its craftsmanship? What more can I say with the leather? Wow. The leather and also the hardware is perfect, made up of Gloveton leather. Wow, look at that one. Isn't she stunning? Oh my goodness. And I think I paid around $300 for this one. I believe that was $300 if I'm not mistaken. For full leather with this type of craftsmanship. Oh my gosh. This is actually worth, they're asking for $495. So if I were to pay $495 plus tax around $500, is it worth it? Yes, absolutely worth it. This purse is worth every penny, even if I've paid $500. But then again, like I've mentioned, I don't want to pay regular price for the purse. I have learned it the hard way in the past. I always pay, oh, if I liked it, I'll just buy it right away. But as the time goes by, I said, I don't really need it. And I know later on it's going to be on sale. But if I could get this one later on and in such a pretty reasonable price, then good. It's meant for me. But if not, then it's not. But with this purse, it's probably meant for me to have this in my collection. I paid around $300 for this one with tax included. And for that, wow. Wow, it's definitely worth it. Like they said, and this one, you could easily compare this to a Louis Vuitton Alma BB. It has similar shape, the dome shape. And wow, comparing the price of a full leather for Alma BB, wow, I'd go for this one. You could buy at least for the full leather for the Alma BB right now. I would say you could buy, it depends though, it depends. Maybe you could buy 3 or 4 of this Revel bag. They could, oh my gosh, I can't get over. I just literally got this from the mail and I am stunned of how beautiful it is. I haven't really taken this one off, just this one right here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Whew. This is absolutely amazing. So anyway, these are all the items that I've purchased in the past few weeks. And later on, I will be doing what fits inside the bag, the wear and tear, or it could be a little bit of a review. I'll give you an idea. And I'll give you a little bit of an idea, the reasons why I purchased them. And those wristlets right there at the back, I love them. I used them every single day. If I do not use my Louis Vuitton, this one is actually perfect. It's perfect for everyday use and it's carefree. And on top of that, it's not going to break your bank. Definitely. You know, it's not going to cost an arm and a leg to have all of those. So anyway, these are the items that I got. Thank you guys for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.